People, it's me, Kinghuman. Listen up. I'm going to give you a hack that's going to get you a lot of free traffic. And I'm going to show you how you can get free Facebook ads placed for 0 cents per click that will be extremely effective and make you money. I'm also going to show you how to set up little money-making machines that make you money on autopilot 24/7. So you wake up with money in your PayPal every morning. Hang on, before I do this, I gotta have a sip. Okay, now I can make this video. So what's doing here? I want to give you guys a peek behind the curtain at what guys like us do. And when I say us, I'm talking about internet marketers that are making big bank doing these things. I don't want to sell you a course here or sell you anything. I want to give you the technique and the tools and the materials so that you can do what we do. Now, that's not to say there won't be some expense involved. There's always expense involved in business. But, I'm not going to make any money off of you doing this. So here's what's doing. You know how expensive it is to run an ad on Facebook these days. It's huge. It's huge. I mean, crazy stuff. Used to be pennies a click. Now it's huge. They want dollars per click, which makes it tough for anybody to make money doing any kind of affiliate program, CPA promotion, or anything like that, or even selling their own product. But there is a workaround, and I'm going to give it to you, and it's not complicated. It's not rocket surgery, but it works. It works if you do it a certain way. What you want to do is first you want to identify your niche, whatever your niche is. Could be anything, and of course the big 3 niches, hopefully. MMO, making money online. Relationships, which is dating, all of that stuff. And third is health, which, sub-niches would be like weight loss. Really sub-niches would be like curing acne or, foot pain or whatever. You can go as deep into these sub-niches as you want and attack them, and you can make big money with little tiny niches. I won't get into that training in this video. I just want to talk about the more general overview here. So what you want to do is first identify the niches that you want to go after, and then you want to join those Facebook groups that have that specific niche topic. And no matter what niche you're in, there are a million Facebook groups that are about that topic. So you want to join the biggest, most active groups in your niche. And before you do anything, you want to start interacting in those groups. Make some posts, get to be known. Don't just be a schmuck that goes in there and says, hey, buy my crap, and then leave. Be a real contributing member to the community, right? So, what you want to do and what the hack is you want to make a post about your product, and you don't want to be too overt about it, but you don't want to be sneaky about it either. You want to let people know you've got a solution for them. Now, one of the things a lot of people don't understand when they're making material for making a sale is you want to do a few things within the text of your sales material, and that is identify a pain point and then solve that pain point, right? So let's say I go into a Facebook group of, pimple poppers, guys that have acne, whatever. Okay, it could be anything. I'm just trying to be funny here. But, let's say there's a health niche in there. And one of the things people are complaining about a lot is having acne. So you go in there and you say, hey guys, I had acne for years. I feel your pain. However, and now you get into, solving the pain point. However, I came across this thing on my travels in Indonesia. I came across this special material that I've never found anywhere else. But I found it on my travels in Indonesia, And I used it, and it cured my acne within 2 minutes flat. Okay, now, obviously I'm using hyperbole and exaggeration, but you get the idea on what I'm structuring here, right? Find a pain point, solve the pain point, also build some curiosity. Now, if you want to know what this special material is and how to get it, comment below, "No more acne." Very simple, right? That's your post. And you can post that in as many groups as you want, as many different times and in different variants. That's it. Now, what happens is everybody that comments, you know, "I want the cure," or whatever special term you want in the comments, is going to get sent automatically a reply to their Facebook Messenger inbox. And the reply will be structured in such a way as to lead them further down the path. In other words, "Hey, thanks for your reply about the acne cure. You can go and see or read all about it at www.acnecurenow.com. And again, that could be your CPA offer, it could be your affiliate offer, or it could be your own product. Now, I want to talk about having your own product a little bit later in this video because it's going to be really important and it's all going to come together. But right now, a lot of you guys are yelling, "Well, what about the auto reply sequence? What are you talking about?" Okay, there is a third-party product called MSG Hero that you can set up in such a way that whenever somebody types in a special term like "cure my acne now" or whatever, it will automatically send replies to your people that put that special term in there. This is important in for a couple of reasons. First of all, it's building a list for you. It's building your list in Facebook Messenger. And that's huge. And the reason why that's huge is because Facebook Messenger open rates are nearly 100%. I own and operate several email lists that are very large email lists. And I don't get but a small percentage of opens on my emails. It's just the nature of the business. Facebook Messenger emails are almost always open, so it's huge. Now this tool, MSG Hero, msghero.com, before I go any further, I'm not making a cent for talking about this MSG Hero product. It's just a product that I use and that I think can make you guys dope. So I'm going to recommend it. So that product, MSG Hero, will build you a sales funnel on autopilot. As many of them as you want. That's the way we make dough. We go after a bunch of different niches on Facebook. We make simple posts where we address a problem. We identify a pain point of our people, right? And we solve that pain point and we make them do two things. First of all, share this post. Secondly, reply with a specific term below, and you will get the information sent to you. Again, it could be free information. It could be your free lead magnet report. It could be sending them to your YouTube video. It could be sending them to a CPA offer. It could be sending them to your affiliate landing page. It could be your own product. Now let me talk about that, because that's where the big money is, owning your own products. Now, CPA products are great, but they typically pay a small amount of money to you for bringing them either actions or sales, right? Affiliate products pay more, but you're still not getting 100% of the cake. Why would you do that when you can own your own products and use this same structure and make 100% of the money for yourself? So with that in mind, I will tell you, and this is a pitch, shameless pitch for my own website, go to thekinghumanelite.com and become a member. And every month I give you turnkey businesses in a box where you own the product. It's ultra white label. Now, what does ultra white label mean? An ultra white label product is a product that you can brand your own way. You can call it whatever you want. You can put your name on it as the product creator. It's all done for you. Most of these come with their own website. So all you have to do is throw up the website files. You got the product. Now you know how to send traffic to it for free. Boom goes the dynamite. I've got about, I don't know how many dozens and dozens and dozens of those in past issues of the money pages on my website, the kinghumanelite.com. Now the money pages, every month, the money pages is where I give you informational training and done for you products that you can sell as your own, and ultra white label products every month. Boom, 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 boom. Bunches of them. Training, how to get traffic, how to do, how to market. Basically, marketing is key. But if you've got those components, if you've got the education, if you got the marketing skills, if you've got the tools, and you've got your products, nothing can stop you. It may take you a while to get going and, learn the things, but there it is. You're not limited to how many of these little income machines you can make. And they work like gangbusters if you set them up right. So there it is. Give it a try. And, if you need any help, email me and I'll be sure not to answer your questions because I'm way too important. I'll try and do a follow-up video on this and get more in detail with it. Maybe I'll get on the computer and show you exactly what one of these things looks like. But you may have seen them before because, all of the big guys on Facebook are doing this kind of technique, and they're also doing pay-per-click ads, but, you guys want to know how to do things without spending a lot of money. Well, this is the cheapest way to do it. MSG Hero is an autoresponder. You need to go look at them, msghero.com, and then you'll understand the benefits of what they can give you. Again, I'm not getting paid by them to talk about their thing at all. I'm just telling you the things that I see as valuable, and this is a tool that I have in my toolbox. So there it is. All right, guys. That's a peek behind the curtain. I want you guys to be as successful as I am. It's all about empowerment and, giving a hand to the guys that need it. So with that in mind, donate a couple of bucks to help a sick kid at St. Jude's Research Hospital for Kids. Sayonara, Bui Kasha, and maximum respect.